The Girard GSWH-2 Tankless water heater commonly experiences several troubleshooting issues that can be systematically diagnosed and resolved. The three most common issues are inconsistent water temperatures, complete failure to heat water, and unusual noises during operation. These issues typically stem from three root causes: thermostat malfunctions, sediment buildup in the system, and electrical connection problems. Before diving into specific error codes, start with this basic troubleshooting checklist to identify the most common problems. Here's your systematic troubleshooting checklist. Start by verifying the 12-volt DC power supply, then check water supply pressure and LP gas supply. Next, inspect the flow switch inlet, clean the filter screen, test the water pressure regulator, and check all microprocessor wire connections. Now, let's examine the specific error codes that the control module displays when failures occur. The control module detects failures and displays error codes on the user control panel, like this one showing an E4 error. Critical errors include E0 for water outlet temperature probe failure, E1 for ignition failure, E2 for flame sensing interrupted, and E4 for water inlet temperature probe failure. System errors include E3 for eco or energy cutoff open, E5 for blower motor failure, E6 for overtemperature condition, and E7 for linear valve failure. Additional error codes include E8 for air pressure switch problems, E9 for flame sensor issues, and two special codes. The N error appears when the unit automatically shuts down after 20 minutes of continuous operation as a safety feature to prevent unattended operation due to leaks or open faucets. The FD code indicates the water heater is operating in winter use mode for freeze protection, which is normal during cold weather operation. When troubleshooting these error codes, use proper testing equipment like a multimeter to verify electrical connections and component functionality. Remember that systematic troubleshooting starts with basic checks before moving to specific error code diagnosis. This methodical approach will help you identify and resolve most GSWH2 issues efficiently. Proper water pressure and flow are critical for tankless water heater performance. Your system needs steady water pressure above 45 psi and optimal flow between 1 and 1.4 gallons per minute. Set your water heater to the recommended factory temperature of 115 degrees Fahrenheit or 46 degrees Celsius. This optimal setting balances efficiency with safety and performance. Regular preventative maintenance is essential for long-term performance. This includes flushing the unit to remove sediment buildup, performing vinegar soaks, and maintaining proper temperature levels. Flow meters can malfunction over time, causing water temperature inconsistencies. If your shower water gets colder during use, or flushing a toilet temporarily restores hot water, this indicates a faulty flow meter that needs replacement. Proper winterization prevents costly freeze damage. Never rely on air alone to winterize your tankless water heater. Always use antifreeze designed for plumbing systems to protect internal components from freezing and bursting. Some technicians recommend using only the hot water valve in showers to maintain consistent output equilibrium. This prevents the mixing valve from disrupting the tankless water heater's temperature control system. While many maintenance tasks can be performed by homeowners, certain situations require professional intervention. Always consult a qualified technician for electrical issues, significant internal damage, or complex error codes that persist after basic troubleshooting.